Okay, this is Swain Hall East, I think. We have another Otis. I guess try A. Okay, try 3 then.
This one doesn't even have a certificate.
I bet you it's that QR code.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes Indiana certificates have QR codes that you can scan. We have Levelland? No, we don't. Here, let's go to G. Let's get a cab view here. There's Jordan. Overall, I mean, the cab's nice, wouldn't you agree? This one only has 2,500 pounds. But this one's a Series 1, so thankfully it's not a Murphy. There's a phone. This one holds 15 people. What do you think?
I mean, I think it can fit 15.
Yeah, we'll take one more. Is it even open? No, A is locked. Sounds like a loud startup. No, there's nothing up here. Says we're going up for some reason. Is that going to be true though? Oh, it just corrected itself. Never mind. Overall thoughts?
Not the best one today, but it's good.
Well, be glad it's not a Murphy.
That was the worst.
Well, it's the most common on this campus, so I'll tell you if you see one. But this one, this is good. Overall, not a bad elevator. There it goes, and that's it.